Welcome back, everyone. Today I've got two trail cameras that I picked up on Amazon at a really good deal, and I just want to share that with you. I've already tried these out, and I'm going to show you the two cameras right now, and then I'm going to show you some clips from each one of them. So here are the cameras. So this is the two cameras right here. What we have is a Cam Park on the left and a Hawk Ray on the right. Let me show you and that is the back. So it's a Cam Park, and then shows you the model T40. And this is the Hawk Ray. And that's what's on the back of it. It gives the serial number, where it's made, and a few other details. This Hawk Ray came with everything you need to get started. It had the strap, it had the mountain hardware, it had the batteries and a memory card. Now the Cam Park only came with the strap and a mountain hardware. That was it. We had to provide our own batteries and memory card for it, but still both of these cameras were a really good price. So the Hawk Ray right here, I gave about $40 for this one, and this Cam Park, I purchased it for about $26. I think is a really good deal on them. They both take a micro SD card. That's the only thing that I've seen so far that I'm not too crazy about. It's a little hard for me to get my fingers on and get them pulled out, but you know, it ain't that big a deal. What really matters to me is the picture quality, and I'm going to show you that right now. So here's some pictures and videos from the Cam Park. So here's some pictures and video from the Hawk Ray. So here's some specs on the Campark you can pause and read over. Here's some specs on the Hawk Ray you can pause and read over. So I do think the Campark has a better picture quality. The sound ain't quite as good as the Hawk Ray, but it does beat it on the picture quality. I'd say some of the newer models has got better sound on them, but for this model, that is as good as it gets. The Hawk Ray's picture quality don't even come close to me as the Campark. It's pretty bad when you see the quality of the pictures. On the small screen, it's pretty good, but when you try to blow it up, it's really bad. The sound is better than the Campark though in this test that I'm doing. The only thing that I noticed, it sounds like it's like got a clicking sound as it's a recording in some of the videos. I don't know what that's all about. That's my review on the image and sound quality of these two cameras. I hope it's helpful to someone. If you would, like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help out. And until the next video, I'll see you later. Oh, and thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.